In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Shopify payments. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn off Shopify payments so it no longer appears to customers at checkout, along with a few tips to avoid surprises. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. It's the gear icon. Click that to open your store's settings panel. Inside settings, select payments. This page controls how customers pay you. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Shopify payments. If it's currently active on your store, in that section, click manage. This opens the detailed settings for your Shopify payments configuration. On the manage screen, you may see a button labeled manage payment methods. If you do, click it. Shopify occasionally groups related controls here, so this is the pathway that reveals the option you need. If you don't see that exact button, don't worry, stay on the manage page and continue scrolling. Scroll all the way down and look for deactivate Shopify payments. It's typically near the bottom of the page. Deactivating will remove Shopify payments as an option at checkout. This doesn't delete your Shopify account or your store, it just turns off this specific gateway. Click deactivate. Shopify will usually ask you to confirm the change and may request a reason for deactivation. Follow the prompts to confirm. Once completed, Shopify payments is turned off. After deactivation, customers will no longer see Shopify payments at checkout. That means the credit and debit card option tied to Shopify payments disappears. If you rely on other gateways like PayPal or a third-party provider, those will continue to show as usual. If Shopify payments was your only payment method, your checkout may no longer accept card payments until you enable another provider, so it's wise to have an alternative ready beforehand. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Pending payouts from previous orders processed through Shopify payments will follow your normal payout schedule even after deactivation. You can still process refunds for past orders handled by Shopify payments, but new charges won't be possible with that gateway until you reactivate it. If you ever want to turn it back on, return to the payment settings and follow the prompts to activate Shopify payments again. That's it. You've successfully blocked Shopify payments, keeping your checkout aligned with your preferred payment setup while maintaining control over how customers pay.